Your eyes are hard at work from the moment you wake in the morning until you fall asleep at night. We learned some ways that our eyes can work in our everyday life. Did you know that you can have a stronger eye? Like you can be left-footed, right-footed, left-handed, right-handed. You can also have a stronger eye. This is called the dominant eye. Here's how to find out which one's the dominant eye.
First, hold your hand out in front of you. Secondly, make a triangle by overlapping your hands. Thirdly, choose an object in the distance and look at the triangle you have made with your hands. Lastly, close your left eye. If you can still see the object, your right eye is your dominant eye. If you cannot see the object, your left eye is your dominant eye. We have cone cells in our retinas, which allow us to see red, blue, and green. Some people are colorblind. This means they have problems seeing certain colors. A colorblind person's cone cells do not work properly or may not be fully developed. You can take a simple test to find out if you are colorblind. Look at the circle of colored dots on the right. Do you see a number? What number do you see?
The eye and the brain are always working together. Did you know that the image that is reflected onto the retina is actually upside down?
The eye sends this upside-down image to the brain. The brain flips the image around so that you see it correctly. This all happens instantly.
I see something. It sends a message to the brain to make sense of the image. The brain keeps that image for about 1/10 to 1/30th of a second. Because our brains do keep the image, even for a very short time, we don't even notice a disruption in our vision. Movies and TVs take advantage of the way our vision works. When we go out to the movies, the film shows a new frame every 1/24th of a second. Even though there are disruptions in the image, our brains retain the image of each frame until the next frame is shown. This gives us the illusion of continuous smooth motions. We made flip books to show how this works.
Sometimes your brain can play tricks on you. We're going to do an experiment to show how. All you need is a sheet of paper. Join in if you like. So roll up the paper and hold it in your right hand. Place it up to your right eye and get your left hand and place it against the sheet of paper. Make sure to open both your eyes. What do you see, something?
I see the hole in my left hand.
This is because your brain takes in two images and converts it into one. Your brain thinks there's a hole in your hand. Sometimes our eyes can trick our brains.
That's trippy. Yeah, what's trippy?
Do you see something moving in the image you just saw? Well, it's not really moving. It's just your brain being confused by what your eyes tell it. Our brain is like a blind supercomputer. It's very smart, but it can't see. To figure out what it means, our eyes tell our brain what the things around us look like. Sometimes our brain gets confused by what the eyes are trying to tell it. This can mean the brain thinks things are moving when actually they're still. Or you might see shapes, shades, or colours that aren't really there. A lot of scientists have worked very hard for many years trying to understand how optical illusions work. But the truth is, in many cases, we still don't know for sure exactly how our brain and eyes work together to create these illusions. Can you see the optical illusions in this image?
No. Yeah, it's turning. Oh. It's like waves.
This week for Irish, we did some optical illusions. I hope you enjoyed it.
Yeah, we did that last year. Oh! Wow. That one's way better. That's cool. Yeah, what about that? How did they do that? Yeah, you do the bends, you do both.
Hi, Chris.